Top 5 Programming Languages to Learn. A programming language refers to the means of communication that is used by humans to instruct computers to perform specified tasks. These languages use particular coding syntax to create programs to perform specialized tasks. Software programming is a lucrative career option. As per the survey, programming jobs are expected to rise by 21% by the year 2028. Wikipedia claims that there are around 700 programming languages, so deciding which one to learn can be confusing. To add to more confusion, new and better programming languages are added to the list every year. But don't worry, we are here to rescue you. After taking into consideration career perspective, future demands, business requirements, and features of different programming languages, we are here with our list of 5 programming languages. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 programming languages to learn in this year. So let's get started. 1. Python. Python can be regarded as the future of programming languages. As per the latest statistics, Python is the main coding language for around 80% of developers. The presence of extensive libraries in Python facilitates artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning processes. Currently, Python is trending and can be regarded as the king of programming languages. It is also an absolutely interesting language for beginners, and at Geeks for Geeks, we have curated a special Python Programming Foundation self-paced course where one can learn all the basics in one place. So learning this programming language in 2022 promises you success and growth. Python is a computer programming language often used to build websites and software, automate tasks, and conduct data analysis. Python is a general-purpose language, meaning it can be used to create a variety of different programs and isn't specialized for any specific problems. Python is widely considered among the easiest programming languages for beginners to learn. If you're interested in learning a programming language, Python is a good place to start. It's also one of the most widely used. Do you want to make an amazing salary and enjoy a secure future? Learn Python programming, and you will. No, we're not talking about the reptile or the classic British comedy troupe. We mean Python, as in the programming language. Python is easy to understand, and once you do, you can use those skills to land a wonderful career in the rapidly developing data science industry. Even better, your career will thrive as the demand for Python programmers grows with the new applications for machine learning that arise every day. Intrigued? Wonderful! Read on and become enlightened to the benefits of Python. 2. Java. Java is one of the most powerful programming languages that is currently used in more than 3 billion devices. Java is currently one of the most trending technology. It is used in desktop applications, mobile applications, web development, artificial intelligence, cloud applications, and many more. This language gives you exposure to many things, and you just need to build a strong foundation with Java Programming Foundation, self-paced course. So learning and acing in this technology offers insanely high salaries, amazing growth opportunities, and global recognition. Java is the official language for Android mobile app development. In fact, the Android operating system itself is written in Java. Even though Kotlin has recently become an alternative to using Java for Android development, Kotlin still uses the Java virtual machine and can interact with Java code. The advantages of Java are as follows. Java is easy to learn. Java was designed to be easy to use and is therefore easy to write, compile, debug, and learn than other programming languages. Java is object-oriented. This allows you to create modular programs and reusable code. Java is platform-independent. Java is generally faster and more efficient than Python because it is a compiled language. As an interpreted language, Python has simpler, more concise syntax than Java. It can perform the same function as Java in fewer lines of code. Enhanced productivity, performance, and security. It is the most secure language. Companies working on Java are Amazon, Adobe, Flipkart, Instagram, etc. 3. JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the world's most popular programming languages on the web. As per the survey, more than 97% of the websites use JavaScript on the client side of the web page. As per the latest statistics, 72% of companies are looking for JavaScript developers. Hence, learning advanced JavaScript self-paced can be the most amazing decision that you can make in 2022 to fuel your career. JavaScript is used by programmers across the world to create dynamic and interactive web content like applications and browsers. JavaScript is so popular that it's the most used programming language in the world, used as a client-side programming language by 97% of all websites. JavaScript is a high-level programming language that is one of the core technologies of the World Wide Web. It is used as a client-side programming language by 97.8% of all websites. JavaScript was originally introduced as a front-end interpreted language. Its main goal is to bring interactivity with users by bringing features like event handling, forms, browser handling and document, HTML, handling. We can even go ahead and say JavaScript is the only interpreted language that is universally accepted by all web applications and browsers. The most interesting part of JavaScript is, it doesn't stop here. Creators of JavaScript continued to add more interesting features, which has resulted in JavaScript started ruling the backend programming as well. It has a well-organized codebase that provides enhanced productivity and readability, easy to learn and is highly in demand. Platform independence and greater control of the browser provide user input validation features. The top companies using JavaScript are Microsoft, Uber, PayPal, Google, Walmart, etc. Kotlin is a cross-platform programming language designed to develop apps. It is being used by more than 60% of Android developers. Kotlin beholds fourth place among the fastest-growing programming language on several renowned indices. Some of the prominent features of Kotlin are concise code and structured concurrency, enhanced security features. Coding is approximately 20% less as compared to Java. It is 100% interoperable. Companies working on Kotlin are Pinterest, Uber, Trello, Amazon, etc. So if you are willing to build your career in Android app development, then learning Kotlin in 2022 is the best choice that you can make. Kotlin is a modern statically typed programming language used by over 60% of professional Android developers that helps boost productivity, developer satisfaction, and code safety. Finally, Kotlin has better support for Android development than Java does. This includes features like null safety and Android extensions that make developing Android applications with Kotlin much easier than with Java. Android developers enjoy the Kotlin compiler, making each Kotlin project way more efficient. Is Kotlin frontend or backend? Kotlin has features like static typing, coroutines, TOR, and null pointer exceptions, which make it ideal for backend development. Also, many Android developers prefer Kotlin for backend development due to Google's official support. 5. R. R is a programming language for statistical and graphical programming. It is widely used among statisticians and data miners for data analysis. It holds profound importance in data analysis, financial domains, and telecom sectors. R offers a wide variety of statistics-related libraries and provides a favorable environment for statistical computing and design. In addition, the R programming language gets used by many quantitative analysts as a programming tool since it's useful for data importing and cleaning. R is known for being hard to learn. This is in large part because R is so different from many programming languages. The syntax of R, unlike languages like Python, is very difficult to read. Basic operations like selecting, naming, and renaming variables are more confusing in R than they are in other languages. If you're passionate about the statistical calculation and data visualization portions of data analysis, R could be a good fit for you. If, on the other hand, you're interested in becoming a data scientist and working with big data, artificial intelligence, and deep learning algorithms, Python would be the better fit. R and Python are both open-source programming languages with a large community. New libraries or tools are added continuously to their respective catalog. R is mainly used for statistical analysis while Python provides a more general approach to data science.